Most people don't fail with the Revid AI because the tool is bad. They fail because they use it the wrong way. And honestly, that's a dangerous mistake if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, TikTok page, or content business. Because Revid AI can save you a lot of time, but it can also make your content look exactly like everyone else's. That's what surprised me after testing it. At first, Revid AI feels impressive. You give it an idea, it generates scripts, creates videos, builds short-form content. Everything happens ridiculously fast. If you're creating content manually right now, the speed alone feels almost unfair. And that's exactly where the problem starts. Most users see the automation and immediately stop thinking. They generate a video, upload it, then wonder why it gets 200 views. The dangerous mistake is assuming AI-generated content automatically equals good content. It doesn't, not even close. What Revid AI really does is remove production work. It doesn't remove strategy. It doesn't replace creativity. And it definitely doesn't understand your audience better than you do. That's something a lot of people learn the hard way. Now, don't get me wrong. There are things I genuinely like. The speed is excellent. The workflow is simple. For freelancers, agencies, and business owners trying to create more content, it can be a huge time saver. Instead of spending hours editing videos, you can focus on ideas and publishing. That's valuable, really valuable. But here's what I noticed. The people getting the best results with Revid AI aren't using it to create finished videos. They're using it to create first drafts. Then they customize everything. They rewrite hooks, change visuals, adjust pacing, add their own personality. That's the difference. The average user lets the AI do 100% of the work. The smart user lets AI do 70%. Now let's talk about who should actually use it. If you're creating content regularly, running an agency, building a personal brand, or managing multiple accounts, Revid AI can save a serious amount of time. But if you're expecting one-click viral videos, you're probably going to be disappointed because that's not how content works. So, is Revid AI worth it? Honestly, yes, but only if you understand what you're buying. You're buying speed, you're buying efficiency, you're buying leverage, you're not buying guaranteed views, and that's a dangerous mistake most users make. They confuse automation with results, and those are two completely different things. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.